Hello guys, back again with the sound stream guys. I wasn't gonna make a video no, but yeah, it's upside down MC 300 guys. So just to let you know guys, it was blowing the fuse and only to find one of the rectifier in the recovery diode guys. Yeah, not even one but two was bad. So let me show what's going on here, guys. Not yeah, I would say one, but it linked to the other one, so I'm gonna replace both of them. Yeah, so that's why I said just let's say two. But I'm going to see if I find a match. So let me show what's going on. Where is it? Right here. Alright guys, see that? Yep. I'm going to show you how it looks now. And this is a sound stream amplifier guys, as you can see. And I can't find this thing anywhere online. See that guy, the diagram on it, how it looks? So I'm going to show you on this paper here and the part number. See? That's why the diagram is not like this face to face with that. You understand? Like, or the back to plus your face. See it? There. You understand? I know you see where it goes, guys? Yeah. And that the part number for you guys. So yes. I can't find this nowhere. So I have to check my whole stock. And I found two of them in one of these boards, which is a kicker amplifier, a old school kicker amplifier that I have a circuit board for. Yes. So I'm going to see what. And they turn this way, guys. They turn backwards. And these are you could see that these are the insulated, yeah, these are insulated recovery diode, guys. Yeah, these one you don't have to put the padding underneath it, But yeah, I tell you. And sometimes these sit a little higher than the other one. So, man, that's the thing again. And I'm going to have to look out for right now to see. Make sure when I screw them down, seated properly then, make sure it's seated. Because, sometimes they're a little seated a little higher. As I said, yeah, they have more body to them. Yeah, so let's see. Let's see, guys, where it's going to go. This is not even a lot. A little tiny bin. This thing, so yes, guys. So, but I don't understand why I didn't pick up. I didn't pick up that problem from the other side when I was doing it. So that's kind of weird, guys. So that's my heater coming on, guys. It's really cold, man. It's cold. It's really cold. All right, so let's see. That's it. I'm installing them. Let me see, guys. Sure, I don't want to leave you guys with anything right now. This video wasn't supposed to really make. I was supposed to just do it, test and see what's going on. Let you guys know, but yeah. I like to make good content with you guys, like stuff what I'm doing you could see. Alright, solder that pin, that leg, yep. That leg, yep. This leg right here. And this one right there. Come on, sit down. So these two, the main is on the other side. Alrighty then. So yep, one here. One right here. One right here. Just straighten this one right here. Right. Yeah. So yeah, I could test it now and see what's going on, but I'm waiting first just to see. Giving it some time. I'm giving myself some time to figure out, So this should be one. What goes again? One here. This here. No. It should be here. Should be like this, and it should give me 4 something or 3 something. Yeah, it's good. And with this side now, this should be here. And this should give me 3 something or 4 something. Yep. And then with this should be this one here. No. Yeah, this way out here. Yeah, I forgot. It's gonna stay like here. Come capacitor discharge. And then this side here now goes here. If I'm not wrong. Alright, yeah, so that's how you're supposed to read. So let me take these off. I forgot. I'm gonna do new stuff. Alright guys, so let's see now guys. Let's see what's going on here. So I need pizza. I need a rag. You could use a rag or something guys, or whatever you have. Make sure there's nothing underneath it guys to mess you up, because these things will mess you up big time. Alright, so let's get the wire here. The power lead, the ground, so the middle one is the ground right here. Just making sure it's not blowing the fuse guys. Alright, and this one is the power right here. So the power, you guys see what I did earlier. I'm going to use one of this here, like that. Then I'm going to alligator clip it to the remote. Right there then. So where's the alligator clip? Where did I put that thing? Oh, I put it back up already? Really? That's good. Yep, so remote there. Alligator clip there. And then I'm going to use a small amp fuse guys. But this time I can use like a 10 and 15. It's a 30, it's supposed to be a 30. Oh, whoa, this is 50. What the heck? Alright guys, so for this one I'm gonna put a 15. So there's nothing wrong with it. It should work with the 15 amp fuse. And don't blow it, you know. Should work with it and don't blow it, as I said. So let's see. I pour it on if everything is okay. Alright guys, let me see if you guys focus on right here guys. If you see anything flashes. Aha. Oh, these two lights on. Really chipping in. Alright guys, you heard that? You really heard that guys. Alright, so I'm gonna move this fuse now. I'm gonna put the 35. I'm gonna put a 35 guys, so and then I'm going to see. Alright, let me see guys if I can speaker release. I should get sound, should get audio. Chan is down. Where's down? Down, that look like down. Alright guys, so I'm gonna hook it up and see if I get any audio. It's not getting hot that quick, so yeah, not shouldn't get hot that quick. So turn my radio down, and this thing will turn this down so it won't come on distracting me and making a lot of noise. Alright guys, so let's see what's going on here now guys. Let's see if we get the audio, which we should. This channel here. Alright, this phone here. Then I have, oh, Shadrach. Alright, let me find a tone, guys, just in case, you know, it's playing. Let me find non-copyright something, something, something. Let me pause it, guys. I'm coming. Find this. Alright, guys, moment of truth. So, see, guys, I put the speaker right here. Yes, right here, guys, right here, just in case the amplifier plays, you know, just to make sure, you know, just testing just now. Just want to test it right now. So, things hooked up. So, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to just, you know, plug these in. This, trying to just, you know, just don't practice this, try this at home, guys. Just don't normally do this with stuff on it, you know. Put a cardboard underneath it or a rag, thick enough so it doesn't feed back to the chassis, you know, like shot out to the chassis. Alright, let me put this thing right here, this screwdriver, put this place here. What's not using, go there. So now I'm gonna play a non-copyright. Wow, this thing gone on some weird stuff now, man. I'm telling you. Alright. Are we really? Let's play there. Alright. You heard that, guys? I think guys got this thing. This side, hold on. Let's see if this side, alright, let's see. Alright, let's come on here now. Holy shit, oh yeah. So the yes, guys. So everything's working fine, guys. Everything is good. Everything is good. All right, everything is good, guys. So yeah, it's up and running as you guys can see. Yeah. So I get only these two sides to play because I didn't switch it to something yet. I think it's on something. Yeah. So I'm gonna. Yep. So that's it, guys, for this amplifier, guys. That's it for this repair. So yep. Yep, guys. So see these things. Oh man, this thing whole like puppy nose. Alright, guys, nothing is overheating. We're good. Really good. So here now. Oh, I used the wrong rod. Come on, I didn't want to use that one. Yeah, I'm gonna put some new stuff on this board, guys. Some new stuff. New stuff. Right. So as you can see, guys, I clean everything off because I'm gonna new compound, new we call it e-compound and stuff like that, guys. Yeah. I don't like it, guys, but you know you have to work with it. If you have to work with it, you have to work with it. So I'm gonna stop complaining. Yeah, could wash these off, guys, and I could wipe them off, whichever way you wanna do it. I know I'm just gonna wipe it off. Oh yep. Oh yes. So that was the problem, guys. Rectify diode, guys. I mean, recovery diode, guys. Recovery diode. Yes, guys. Why am I saying rectifier? Oh wow, I didn't even mark the spot that I get these from. So what I'm going to do, I'm gonna put them on this, guys, so I won't make a mistake. That's a beautiful way of doing it, guys. If you ever forget where they're from. Alright, so first thing first, let's take the cover off that thing and just put the paste on here. some here too. Don't overdo it. Don't overdo it, guys. Oh, come on. And put some on these two, guys. Yep. Don't miss those. Not because they don't have a padding. Oh, yeah. Please. Please, please, please. Make sure you put some heat compound on them. Alright, so now these go that side over here. And I think these go like this here. Because these have a little part where the screw have to bypass it. Screw have to go right between, yeah. So I was right with that one. And I think this one is also, guys. As you could see, they have a little cutout on them like there, yeah. The screws go right between these. So let's see if I have another one that's what the heck, man. Whew, come on. I need to stay there. See if I have another one like that. I think this is the other one. Yes. That's it. So that go to that side right there. And on this side, come over to this so you don't have you don't really have a cutout for this one, guys. I didn't have one, but this one look like it uses a cutout, of course. Yep, it does. It's too close to call. Really. Right there. Put this one over. Oh yeah. Something not right on that one. We're gonna have to fix it. So let's see. If the screw going in, it's going to go, it's gonna be really, really close. Alright, so let's make sure that don't happen, guys. Right, so and these up here now, yeah, these are good up here. These you don't have to worry about anything. Put that on that one. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. I'll clean these after more, but yeah, they're good. These are good. Like that. Like that. Like that, like that, like that. Alright. These you don't have to put anything on, guys, because these are the ones that's they built that way, so you don't have to put anything on them. It's going to the metal, it's going to love that. Uh-oh. Disconnect the power wire, guys. Disconnect the stuff here before you do that. Yep. And you could also put someone here, but for now, yikes. I'm not going to, but let's see here now. I'll go behind there. Go right here. So now, where that goes there, sharp. So put some screw here. Right there. Uh-oh. Yes, guys, don't worry, guys. That's for the one that's not using anymore. padding for this one, so let me find it, guys, because you don't need any trouble right here. Alright, so this one, I'm gonna have to find it. It's running away. Alright. Let's see if I find it. Just because I found it, so yep, yeah. So this to put this up. Yes, guys, you know it's always one. Don't want to sit straight. Everything else is straight, but this one don't want to sit straight at all. For some reason. Alright. I don't want to give some trouble. That screw doesn't feel too right, but you have to get something maybe for that one. Right, so up here now, this one here. Oh, it's this side. So over this side should be good if I'm not wrong. If it's not, I'll find out once I screw it up. I'll really find out this guy once everything is up. Screw it. So I'm gonna read to the chassis, guys, you know. From the pin to the chassis, yeah, it shouldn't be shorting out, so yeah. So that's the way I'm going to find out if everything is up and running there. Alright, so let me check this now, guys. Sorry. If I guys left out of that one. So from the chassis to here, you shouldn't get anything reading to it, guys. That's how you're going to know if anything is shorting out. Alright, you're good. So that's so good. I go straight to the chassis anyway. So this one here, reading to the chassis. Yeah, something's wrong there. That shouldn't be happening. Hold on. Only this one should be to the chassis here. This read to the chassis too. Yeah. But these guys is touching somewhere there, touching this guy. So yep. That's the thing, guys, with these. So make sure you get these right, guys, and then all will be good. So that's it now for now, guys. Cardi and Cardi out for now, guys. Please like, subscribe if you like what you see. This sound stream MC300, guys. Alright. Cardi and Cardi, guys. Out for now. Enough respect.